So student, hope you all have enjoyed the still life shading last time as I have given. Now we will move towards how to draw compositions perfectly, and for that you have to learn how to draw human figure. So human figure is very much essential for this composition. So how to draw human figure in easy way, I am showing you. Just you will follow this and you will do accordingly as I am showing. What you will do, first you have to draw a circle like this, size of laddu, okay, smaller than the laddu. Now from the middle we'll draw a straight line. So those who are not able to draw a straight line, they can use scale. For the beginning. Now after that you will draw a U just below that circle. From there you will draw two lines just slanting downwards, and you will make a box which is tapered towards the bottom, and will give a straight line. Remember one thing, why I have given this middle line, both sides should be equal. Okay, so you have to follow this thing, both sides should be equal. This thing you have to do, this will be your middle line. Remember, this line should be in the middle. After that you will draw one leg, you will draw another leg, and then you will make this. If this line will not go from the middle, the figure will not stand. Now we will make the ornamentation like belts and all. Now for the hand, you can make a half sleeve, you can make full sleeves. I am showing you half sleeve so that you can draw the full sleeve also. So this is the basic structure. Now there is another purpose of making this line. This line will become the nose. Now follow this properly. Most of the time I have seen you are able to draw the figure, but you are unable to do the face properly. Here will be the eyes. Just make like this, it will become nose. Now after this we will make the detailing. We will make the collar like this, make the pocket, make the short button, and that's it. That's complete of your human figure. A freestanding human figure. Now after doing this, you can rub these lines. figure will stand properly. Now this is the freestanding human figure. Now what we are going to do? We will make a walking figure. Again a laddu, a line, now in your junior section, junior class, when you are 2 or 3 in that class, I think you have learned from your primary teachers how to draw ice cream. The same way you will draw ice cream here, the leaking one. Today there are various types of ice creams we get on the market, so I am talking about the leaking type of ice cream which we used to leak and eat. So this way you will draw an ice cream without the stick. If we make a stick here, it will become an ice cream. So we will not make the stick, we will make the ice like this. Now we will make the neck part. For neck part we will leave this much of space. This much of space we will leave. Very little space we need to leave here, like this. Now for the walking figure, obviously the hands and limbs will move. So let's make the legs move like this. Little bit bend. You will draw a straight line, then you will bend it little bit like this. It is looking like walking, see? So since this leg is behind this leg is in front, so it will be little bit shorter as it is going away from our side. Now here we will draw the hand. Now I hope you all don't know the legs which moves in front, that side hand moves back. And the legs which moves back, that hand moves in front. We will not going to draw the detailings of the hands right now. We will just make like this and we will draw like this. Now for the detailing of the body parts. Here you can make the collar, and the same way for the head. For head, you remember one thing. Here you will draw a line. Here you will draw ear like this. And then this line will come and join behind the neck. This is the hair part. You can make different style of hairs like this. Now for the nose, most of the time I have seen you all make nose like parrot or like some other birds. So it will not be like this. Nose lies in between the ears. The upper part and the lower part of the ears, the nose lies. So here I will make the nose like this. And it will not be pointed. If you make pointed, it will become like a beak of a parrot. Now on this dent portion, follow this properly. On this dent portion, you will just give a straight line, nothing else. On one straight line, again another small straight line just below that, and you will make a small U. The eyes will become like this. You don't have to make prominent eyes. You don't try to make the prominent eyes. It will not look good. Now below the nose, you draw an inverted L. Then again one inverted U, and you make the chin like this. So this is the face. So this is the side view of a walking figure. So this way we're going to make a walking figure. Again we will rub these lines. Now we will learn how to draw a bending figure. Same way, at first we will draw a laddu. Since it is bending, so head will come here. Here will be the neck and ice cream, like this. This will be the middle line. Here there will be two middle line. One line will be like this, another line will be straight. So there should be a cross. So from this point to this point, the line should come from the middle of the two, between two legs. The line will cut from in between these two legs. So it will not go here and there. Then the figure will fall. So that thing you have to see. Now this man is working something. So the hand will move little bit like this. With a free hand you will draw like this. This is the other side and like this. Now you will make the hair. Since the body is in bend position, so hairs will also be in bend position. Again you will measure the lines. Nose, lips, chin. And the eye. This man is doing something. Maybe you give some clothes on his hand, he is washing clothes. So like this we will going to create the compositions afterwards. So first we will learn how to draw this human figure. Okay, this is the male figure. After 2 weeks, again another assignment I will give you. That time I will teach you how to draw the female figure. So most of the time I have seen many of you have drawn all the human figures in the compositions or all the female figures in the compositions. So it's not like that. Society is not built up with only male figures or only female figures. So there should be a combinations of male and female figures both in a composition. So if you can draw both the figures properly, then the compositions will looks very nice. Do these three accordingly. One more figure I can show you. One more figure I am showing. This is the back figure. Sometimes we draw a human figure standing behind. Same like the front figure, there will be a laddu. Draw a straight line. Neck part. Here it will be straight. It will not like U. It will be straight. Make a small box. Draw two lines slanting downwards. It will not straight. It will be slanting downwards a little bit. We'll draw two lines tapered downwards like this. In case of shoes, it will look like this. it will be like this. Like this it will be. Hand, you can keep it like this. You can make folds of the hands like this. That means it is folded. Folded in front, we are watching from behind, so we are not able to see the hands properly. Like this. For the hairs, just little bit tapered at the back. We'll find ears like this and nothing else. So this is the back figure. Now we can make some wavy lines like this. Since this is a shirt, so it will little bit wavy. This is pant, so it will be wavy like this above the straight line. After drawing the straight line, we can make this thing. We can make these wavy lines, so it will look more naturalistic. So this is your task you will do, and you will submit to me in my WhatsApp number separately by writing your name. You will mention your name, class, sections. You will write at the corner here, name, class, section. You will mention here, and you will take the picture of the shots. You will take a shot of this page and again a shot of this one, okay, and you will send it to me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children. Best of luck. Try it. If any queries are there, you can text me in my WhatsApp. Okay. Goodbye.